Good morning, friends. I am Chetan Bhavankar, Assistant Professor at Department of Information Technology, Sanjeevani College of Engineering. I welcome you in hands-on practice, hands-on session on Python 3.8, Module 0. Here we are going to see the installation of Python 3.8 on Ubuntu 16.04 to 17.10. The contents: course objective, introduction, system requirement. Course objective: to learn the various installation on Ubuntu like 16.04 to 17.10. To get familiar with the Python 3.8, the course outcome: you will be able to use the Python 3.8 on Ubuntu as well as on Windows operating system. Now, introduction about the Python. The Python is general purpose, high level, remarkable, powerful dynamic programming language that is used in a wide variety of application domains. The Python supports the multi-programming paradigm, including the object-oriented, imperative, and the functional programming style. The system requirement. The system requirement for the Python installation are as follows. If here we are going to purely discuss about the Ubuntu operating system, so your Ubuntu version should be between this 16.04 to 17.10. Minimum requirement of a RAM is 2 GB of RAM, 4 GB is preferable. You must have internet connection on your machine. The procedure to install the Python 3.5 plus on your Ubuntu 16.xx and 17.04. The installation process: you need to you must have internet connection on your machine. Open the terminal by pressing the Ctrl Alt plus T key together. For example, if you are having the Ubuntu 16.04, then in terminal run the command sudo apt-get install python 3.5. Press enter. After this command, type the command sudo apt-get install python 3-pip. Make sure that you press enter after entering every command. After entering the command, the terminal will prompt you for the password. Type it into the terminal. Now my dear student, if you are having the Ubuntu 16.10 and Ubuntu 17.04, then in the terminal you have to run the command sudo apt-get install python 3.6. Press enter. After uh, after installation, you have to execute the other command as sudo apt-get install python 3 hyphen pip. Then press enter. The terminal will prompt you for your password. Type it to the terminal and press enter. The procedure to install the Python 3.8 on your Ubuntu OS. The Python terminal has released its latest version of Python 3.8 for general use. You can download the latest stable version of Python 3.8 series and install it on your system. My dear student, if your Ubuntu is 17.10 and above, then the system is already comes with the Python 3.6 installed by default. Step number 1. Prerequisite: as you are going to install the Python 3.8 from the source, you need to install some development libraries. To compile the Python source, use the following command to install the prerequisite for the Python. You can copy these sudo commands from the PDF which I have given to you people. First command is sudo apt-get install build -essential check install. After that, you have to type the command as sudo apt-get install lib readline gplv2 dev lib cursive 5 dev lib /ssl-dev. This mention all the commands properly. After that, step number 2, download the Python 3.8. Download the Python source code using the following command from the Python official site. You can download the latest version in place of specific you can download the latest version by typing this command. The command is cd/opt. Then you have to press enter. After that, sudo wget https www.python.org ftp/python/3.8.2 python 3.8.2.tgz. Then extract the downloaded source file by using the command sudo tar xzf python -3.8.2.tgz. Step number 3, compile the Python source. Use the below set of command to compile the Python source code on your system using the alt install command. You have to type the command cd python. Here, my dear student, the Python P is capital. Python -3.8.2. Next command sudo /configure --enable -optimization. Next command sudo make alt install. Now we have to check what version we have installed. To check the installed version of Python using the following command. As we have not overwritten the default Python version on the system, so we have to use the Python 3.8 as follows. Command is python 3.8 space -V. Press enter. You will get the prompt as python -3.8.2. Check if the Python is installed correctly. For this, you have to open the terminal by pressing the Ctrl+Alt+T key together. Run the command python 3 --version in the terminal and press enter. If you have installed the Python 3.6, you will get the prompt as Python 3.6. If you have installed successfully 3.8, then you will get the prompt as Python 3.8 in your console. Now, my dear student, we have to install NumPy, IPython and Matplotlib libraries. Again, you have to open the terminal by pressing the Ctrl+Alt+T key together. In terminal, run the command sudo apt-get install python 3-tk. The terminal may prompt you for your password. Type it in the terminal, press enter. Type in the following command followed by the enter key. Sudo python 3-m pipe install numpy. Press enter. After this command, then you have to give the next command as sudo python 3-m pipe install IPython. After that, we have to install the matplotlib depending on the Python version you have installed. For this, we have to use the command sudo python-m pipe install matplotlib. This may also prompt you for a password. Type your password and press enter. Now we have to check if NumPy, Matplotlib and IPython are installed correctly on your machine or not. Open the terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T key together. Run the command IPython and press enter to open IPython console. You should get the following output on your terminal. In IPython console, type in the command import NumPy Matplotlib and press enter. Type the command as %pylab. Pylab is a single space and press enter. If all the commands are executed without throwing any error, means you have successfully installed all the package. Your assignment, my dear student, you have to submit your details over here correctly, as we are going to offer you a honor certificate based on this database. Here you have to take a screenshot of your machine where it will show me a Python version which you have installed. Uploaded it on the form and we will give you honor certificate. Thank you, my dear student.